done wrong. You rats are still snoring at all this time to wake up and go school now, my donkeys. I don't care who your marge is. Between me and her, you don't know who's the darkest. Walked in your bedroom, flicked on the light switch. 6:26, need to open your eyelids. Dad's in the comments like, I'm gonna try this. Mom saying loud, them fuck that they're my kids. Got milks hollering at man. They trying to get wifey to come and attack man. Wanna wake up your kids, holler their dad fam. Or send a postcard when mom's owe me a bag fam. You little brats need to wake up quick. Got me feeling like I should shake up a kid. If any of you think you can give daddy jip, then I take off the belt that I got on my hip. Get up and put the milk in the bowl. Smile when you eat it, it's Cheerios. Your dad's a madman, everybody knows. Used to spare no mum, now it's bros before. Are you really trying to ignore your pops when you look like Coco from the cereal box? And you staring me down like an undercover fed. Need to come from under the covers and get out of your bed. My dad in a room, time to wake up, everybody start move. If it's war that you want, you're gonna lose. I ain't taking chat from man that wear Velcro shoes. Moving like I ain't been a barra before you were born when I had my labara. Here's where I'm drawing the line, no mascara. Time for wake up, you have to listen to your father. Time to get up when I said time to get up. Time to get up when I said time to get up. Start move, everybody start move. Start move, everybody start move. Time to get up when they say time to get up. Time to get up when they say time to get up. Start move, everybody start move. Start move, everybody start move. Brother, give me something. Give me something, cuz. Yeah, love me.
Star Wars, everybody, Star Wars. Star Wars, everybody, Star Wars.
Pitney and I move.